Crypto enthusiasts, get ready to buckle up because we have some earth-shattering news to discuss today. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has secretly filed for its initial public offering, and XRP holders could be sitting on a gold mine. But that's not all. Ripple is planning on giving free shares to XRP holders via an airdrop. Imagine getting a piece of the company that could soon be worth over $100 billion. And with Goldman Sachs backing this IPO, the potential for XRP's price to shoot up to $300 is very real. The best part, the IPO closes in just 72 hours. That means the clock is ticking, and you don't want to miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So if you're an XRP holder, keep watching because we're about to dive deep into how this IPO could change your life forever. Let's get into the details. A leaked document from NASDAQ has revealed Ripple's staggering $100 billion valuation. Yes, you heard that right. Ripple, the blockchain powerhouse that's been quietly revolutionizing the financial sector, is now being valued at over $100 billion. This is huge because it shows that Ripple isn't just a cryptocurrency project, it's a legitimate, massive company that's poised for global expansion. So why is this important? For XRP holders, Ripple is no longer just a token for remittances and cross-border payments. With this massive valuation and the upcoming IPO, Ripple is set to become one of the biggest players in the global financial system. And as Ripple goes public, XRP could see an explosive price surge. Imagine owning XRP now before it hits mainstream recognition. With the company's valuation skyrocketing, XRP could reach unprecedented heights. At 300 XRP, it's no longer a fantasy, it's a real possibility. Here's where things get even more interesting. According to a leaked Reddit post, XRP holders could be getting free shares of Ripple as part of an airdrop. That's right, if you hold XRP, you could soon own a piece of Ripple itself. This is a massive opportunity for XRP holders. Think about it. Ripple going public is already a massive deal, and getting free shares in the company could be the cherry on top. Imagine being handed a piece of a $100 billion company just for holding XRP. If this is true, the airdrop could be one of the largest in crypto history. And as Ripple becomes publicly traded, these free shares could grow in value dramatically. Especially as Ripple continues to expand its reach across the globe, XRP holders are already positioned to make huge gains, and now they're getting free equity in Ripple itself. How's that for a bonus? So what does this mean for the price of XRP? Let's dive deeper into the potential future of this digital asset. Experts are predicting that once Ripple's IPO launches, XRP could hit $300. This prediction is based on several key factors that we will explore. Yes, $300 per coin. This is a significant leap from its current value, which is why it's generating so much excitement. It may sound too good to be true, but let's break down why it's possible. Understanding the underlying factors can help us see the bigger picture. Ripple's IPO is expected to draw in massive institutional investors, which could drive the price up significantly. This influx of capital could be a game changer. Major banks, hedge funds, and financial institutions are lining up to get a piece of the action. Their involvement could provide the stability and growth XRP needs. This means the demand for XRP could skyrocket as institutional players pour money into Ripple. Increased demand often leads to higher prices. And if XRP becomes the standard for cross-border payments, which Ripple is aiming for, the token's value could surge exponentially. This would revolutionize the way we think about digital transactions. Let's not forget that Ripple is already the go-to solution for many financial institutions around the world. Its technology is trusted and widely adopted. If Ripple expands its partnerships and becomes even more integral to the global financial system, the price of XRP could easily reach $300 and maybe even more. The potential is enormous, so for those of you who got in early, this could be the reward of a lifetime. The foresight to invest early could pay off handsomely. Early XRP adopters could see their investments multiply by 100 or more in the years to come. The potential returns are staggering. The early adopters of Bitcoin saw returns like this. Now it could be XRP's turn to shine. The future looks promising for those who believe in Ripple's vision. Stay tuned and keep an eye on this exciting journey. Now let's talk about why this IPO is such a big deal. It's not just another public offering. Goldman Sachs is backing Ripple's IPO, and this is huge news for the entire financial sector. That's right. One of the most powerful financial institutions in the world is underwriting Ripple's public offering, which speaks volumes. Goldman Sachs doesn't just back any company, they back winners with potential and a solid business model. And the fact that they're behind Ripple's IPO is a massive vote. Confidence in its future prospects and market potential. This shows that Ripple isn't just a crypto project, it's a legitimate company that's ready to compete with the biggest names in finance and technology. This backing could propel XRP into mainstream adoption, making it a household name. And we're not just talking about a few banks here, we're talking about major financial institutions around the world, from New York to Tokyo. And if Ripple succeeds as much as experts think it will, it could revolutionize the financial landscape. XRP could become the next Bitcoin, a true game changer in the world of digital currencies. Remember when Bitcoin was under $1 and people thought it was a pipe dream? Now look at it. It's a global phenomenon. XRP could be on that same trajectory, especially with Goldman Sachs providing the muscle and credibility behind this IPO. Now here's the kicker. Ripple's IPO is closing in just 72 hours. That's right. The window of opportunity is closing fast, and if you want to get in on this historic event, now is the time to act. The clock is ticking, and the opportunity to invest in Ripple's IPO could soon be gone. Once the IPO closes, Ripple will be a publicly traded company, and the price of XRP could explode in value. If you want to be part of this massive wealth transfer, you need to act fast. There's no time to waste. Make sure you're ready for the IPO before it's too late. Think about this, early investors in Ripple's IPO could retire rich and live their dream lives. Imagine the freedom to travel the world, buy your dream home, or simply enjoy a stress-free retirement. Just like the early Bitcoin investors, those who get in on Ripple now will likely see massive returns in the coming years. The potential for growth is enormous, and the opportunity is right in front of you. If Ripple continues its incredible growth trajectory, and XRP becomes the global bridge for payments, the price of XRP could easily hit $300, $500, or even higher. The sky's is the limit when it comes to the potential of this digital currency. But this isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about securing your financial future and ensuring long-term stability. A well-thought-out investment strategy can provide peace of mind and financial security for you and your loved ones. If you believe in the power of blockchain and the revolution Ripple is bringing to global finance, getting in on the IPO now could be one of the best financial decisions you ever make. The technology is transformative and the potential is limitless. XRP holders, this is your chance to make a significant impact. Your investment today could shape your financial future for years to come. Don't wait for the price to hit $300 and wish you had gotten an earlier act. Now secure your future and watch your wealth grow exponentially. The time to act is now. Ripple's IPO is your ticket to a brighter, wealthier future. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards could be life-changing. The countdown is on, and the window is closing fast. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure your financial future. So there you have it. Ripple's IPO is confirmed. XRP holders could receive free shares, and the price of XRP could explode to $300 in the near future. With Goldman Sachs backing this IPO, Ripple is positioned to be the next big thing in the world of finance. But don't wait, the IPO closes in just 72 hours, and after that, it could be too late to get in. If you believe in XRP's potential and want to secure your financial future, make sure you're prepared. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on Ripple's IPO. Are you ready to take advantage of this incredible opportunity? Like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all things Ripple and XRP. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next